Learn with Olivia.
Let's learn about sense organs and their functions. We have 5 sense organs.
Eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. Eyes.
Our eyes help us see things around us like colors and shapes.
Ears.
Our ears help us hear sounds like music and people talking.
Tongue.
Our tongue helps us taste different flavors like sweet, salty, and bitter.
Nose.
Our nose helps us smell things like flowers, food cooking, and even stinky socks.
Skin.
Our skin helps us feel things like soft toys, warm sunlight, and hugs.
Thanks for watching. Like and share, subscribe on Exlain. Bye.